Well, guys, I figured I'd spend a little late night out here in the shop. It's dead on 12 a.m. Went ahead and got the 44.3 mandrel cut. We got that cut 10 thou undersized. Good little snug fit. Went ahead and cut the 25 thou pop-up on the piston. Yeah, that's where whatever happened in the past went through the intake. It's more visual than you can feel. You don't catch a nail or nothing, so I think she'll be alright. And as y'all know, we got the chamber cut. So right now with the chamber cut, with the 25 thou pop-up made, no base gasket, we're at 54 thousandths squish. So if we take 30 thousandths off the base, we're going to be at 24. If we take 25 thousandths off, we're going to be at 29. I think I'm going to probably aim, I don't really know. I want to keep it about 25 thou just because the chamber cut, you have just a little ridge around the outside that you need to miss. So I think I'm going to probably aim somewhere around 28, between 26 and 28 thousandths taking off a base, and we'll end up somewhere between 26 and 28 thousandths squish. That's going to be the plan for tomorrow. It has actually done got cold out here tonight, fellas. My mathification for building that mandrel. And I made a dang mess too, boy. I got little chips all over the place. Got a whole tray full over here. No doubt. So, just real quick. So we'll zero there. So how I make my mandrels is I take my size, just flip this to millimeters. Go out to 44.3. Give or take, right there. So from that point, I'll zero it. Then, however big your mandrel is, well, let me flip it to inches. So however big your mandrel is, it tells you what needs to be cut off of it to get down to 44.3 millimeters, which is 1.7445, I believe. Yeah, 1.7445 is 44.3 millimeters. I ain't really zeroed it, but I just cut it. And once you get to about 50, I start taking it in 10 thou increments until We're about 9 thou under. So we're 9 thousandths. 9 thousandths under 44.3 millimeters. And once it hits 0, so as you're coming on down, taking some off, when you hit 0, you're on size. Everything else is undersized. So you take about 8 to 10 thou off for clearance. And you end up pretty dang nice. And then face it off, of course. Chamfer your edges. So, we'll get this chuck back up tomorrow. Get this base cut. Looking at it, I don't know how well it's going to do to be cutting into this. I know we're probably going to get into this intake a little bit, but I'm sure somebody's done it, and we'll figure it out as we go. So, I'm going inside. Got to take the kids to school in the morning. And we'll be back tomorrow. Dubs, we out.